Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we're doing a try on haul from Savannah again. Obviously it's one of my favorite brands. So here I am, back again. And this time I got a lot of stuff and everything is so cute. But before I get started with the haul, let me tell you that Savannah is having a huge holiday carnival sale and you're gonna get up to 70% off. You can also use my code SHRIVA42. I'll put it up on the screen as well for some extra money off. And I think I may have just gotten my entire wish list. So I think it's probably a right time to run to Savannah and get everything that you want. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let's jump right into the haul. Okay, first off, I've got something black. And it's a shirt. I'll do a try on somewhere over here. So basically this is just a plain black shirt, but plain in the front, party in the back. This is so awesome. Just look at this. First off, this is some other fabric. I think it's wool or something. And it just looks so good. And also this material is so good and it's kind of a little stretchy, so it's gonna be perfect. And I love all the detailing, and it's a long sleeve. And let me tell you, this was delivered so quick. Like I think it just took like 4 days, 3-4 days to deliver this. This was one of the fast delivery items and I'm gonna create so many outfits with this. Second thing, it's right, I got it to pair it with the black shirt. Obviously, I can wear it on its own, but I thought it would look so good with that black shirt and some black jeans. It has bows. Say less. Like just tell me there's bows and I'm gonna get it. It's just gonna look so good with that shirt on. I'm sure you can see that in the try on part. But this is such a cute top. And to be honest, you can wear it in any season. Like if it's cold, you can wear it with the shirt, with the jacket. And in summers, you can just wear it with nothing. Just on its own. And the material I think is cotton. It's quite stretchy and it's really soft, and I love it so much. And also I think this was like not that expensive. This costed me, I think it was around 300 rupees, so I think this was a steal. Third, before I show it to you, I have to say this is my favorite thing in this entire haul. So are you ready? Winters are approaching, so I got a sweater, but just look at it. Ta-da! First off, it's pink. There are flowers on it and these are 3D. Like these are not printed or anything. These are 3D. It's wool, I think, or something. But this is so pretty. I got it oversized because you all know how much I like oversized clothing. And it just looks so good on my body. It flatters me so much. And bonus points, it also fits my mom. So we can both wear it. Basically perfect, and the material is so great. It is so warm that I can just wear this on its own in winters and be good. This is my favorite thing in this entire haul and I was so excited to get it. I think you need to go and get this one because I would love to twin with you, and this one is just so cute. Okay, next thing is green. This time the haul is very colorful. I know, but I want to have more colors in my wardrobe. Okay, so this one is again for the upcoming season for the winters, but like not that cold. It is a green top, but it is kind of long and it has this stretchy material, but it's like very warm. Let me give you a close-up of this fabric because you need to see it for yourself. And this one also did not cost me that much. This was around, I think, 700. That's it for this top. It's full sleeves. I can layer it with pieces. I can wear it under jackets. I can probably make a lot of outfits with this, and this is gonna be such a good look. Next is another black piece, and this one is a top. Okay, so this one is basically an off-shoulder top. It's gonna go like this and the entire net is gonna show, and then it has this other fabric over it. This one is also kind of warm, so I shop according to the season. You see that, right? But this is such a good going out top. Like if you're going out with anyone for brunch or for like going out for the night or anything, this is gonna be such a good look because it has majestic sleeves. Like this has like really long sleeves and these just flow and look so good. Like this is another one of my favorites from this entire haul. This just looks so good on my body. This peekaboo situation with the net looks so good, and it's perfect for any occasion pretty much. This one was, I think, for around 1200 rupees, which is totally justified for something this beautiful. It's kind of cropped, but like not that cropped, so it's the perfect length. I totally love it. Then I got a net top, which is entirely made of net. So I think I will have to wear something underneath. But this is a one shoulder situation. I just saw it and fell in love with it because I think these kinds of top are really trending right now. Like, look at the bottom and then look at the sleeves. Again, the same style of majestic flowy sleeves that I love so much. You all know that by now. And it just goes like something like that. Even though it's net, it is not itchy at all. Like, this is, I don't know what this is, but this is some kind of soft net, and I love that about this one. And this one also was not that expensive. It was for 900 something. So everything in this entire haul is pretty affordable, and you all know Savannah's prices are. And these were actually all the things that I got this time. I am totally ready to snag all of these insane offers, and do not forget to use my code, okay? You can get extra discount, like additional discount from the already 70% off. So I think it's a win-win situation, and this is the perfect time to shop from them. Also, all the links to all the items in this video will be in the description, so you can go check them out and wear the same outfits as me. I would love that totally, and we can be twins. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.